guys, welcome back to my channel. So glad you decided to stop back by and chill with your girl today. Today we have a different video that I've never really done before. We're going to be unboxing this wig. Because, you know, I gotta put y'all up on game. Just in case you're wondering where I get my units, I will be sharing that with you. Before we hop into anything, I need you to do a couple things for me. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and become a part of the Snatch and Slay gang. If you'd like to know how I applied this unit, just keep on watching. Alright you guys, so I already got my edges slipped back a little bit. So this side's being a little unruly, but sit back. And my hair is really thin. As you can see, I've had some breakage over time. Just precisely why I wear wigs most of the time, but I do try to let my hair breathe because, you know, and wear it naturally sometimes. So I don't always wear wigs, but I do wear them pretty often. This is the box that it comes in. Again, this is from Luvme Hair, and this is where I get the majority of my wigs, if not all of them. I think every single wig that I've ever purchased has been from this company. So this is how it normally comes, in a purple box, and then with the ribbon and everything. So we're gonna take that off. And usually it comes with like some extra stuff in the box, not just the wig itself. And so when I open it, it's got this little message here. Just to open it up, it looks like it's got these, looks like, let's see, I think they're headbands. And this is a headband wig, so normally when you get a headband wig, they'll send you, it'll come with some headbands. Oh, that's pretty. So it's kind of like a sheer. And the black too. That's really pretty. It's got the wig itself, and I think this is the longest wig that I've ever purchased. If I'm not mistaken, this was 24 inches. So, and it's like a loose body wave type of situation. So, super excited. Come with a Luvme hair clip and a little brochure about awards or whatever, because I think I am a part of their rewards program thing, which I should be as much as I spend from there. And then it comes with this sheer little pouch thing, so you can store the wig in here. Looks like it came with, let's see what this is. A little scarf, little edges scarf, so you can lay down your edges and put the scarf on top. Nice. And then it came with a comb. It's nice. It's got the Luvme logo on there as well. And of course it always comes with a pack of a wig cap. It usually comes with 2. So I don't normally wear wig caps with my wigs, so but it always comes with one. And it comes with a user guide, you know, tell you how to take care of the wig pretty much. Anyway, so that's all that's in this box. We're just gonna jump right into the situation. So just gonna take this off. Of course, it always comes with like a net on it. There's some paper in there. I'm gonna take that out. And again, this is a headband wig. It's like a loose body, loose wave style. And of course, this is human hair. All my wigs are human hair. I never really wear synthetic wigs. No diss to anybody who does, because I have worn them before, and I do have a couple wigs that are synthetic, but I like more appealing to the human hair because it's easier to take care of and it lasts way longer. So this is her. Like I said, this is very long. There's not much to it. It comes, you know, has the 4 combs in here, and then there's a comb right there on the bottom, and then it has the strap that is Velcro, so you can make it as loose or tight as you want. The headband wigs are a lot easier to put on than the glueless wigs are, but I have mastered the glueless wig, if I do say so myself. But headband wigs are a lot easier to put on because it's like 2 seconds. I'm gonna just slip it on. I always go back first, and then my hair is braided also, so I'm gonna put it on like that. And I'm just putting the comb in on the bottom of my scalp, or just above my back of the neck here. Putting that comb in on each side. Front comb in the front. And then I'll take the straps in the back here and strap them. Usually wear them pretty tight so it's like secure. Take this comb that I came with so I can like brush it out or comb it out. And straighten out the headband part too. So yeah, that is how it's done. And you can style these wigs any way you want. You can like wear it half up, half down. You can wear it in a ponytail and with a scarf over it. There's a lot you can do with headband wigs like this. And it just looks so natural, you know? Sometimes I do like a little bit of color. I'm a sucker for blonde, like honey blonde or a little lighter than honey blonde. But I usually stick to this color wig because it's, you know, closer. It's the closest to my natural hair color. Because look how that blends together so nicely, you know? This is her. I'm gonna have this wig linked down below, so if you would like to take a gander on Luvme hair, you can get to it quick and in a hurry. I'm really liking it. I'm really liking it, if I must say. Thank you guys so much for watching, as always, and I will see you very soon in the next one.